Hey Geek, so have you ever been told that you can't do it? I think all of us have, especially as kids when our parents are telling us that there's things that we can't and can do. A lot of times it's for our own good because our parents want to make sure we don't hurt ourselves. But as we get older, as we become adults, that changes. In a lot of ways, you're still told that you can't do it, just not directly. And a lot of times, these things are really subtle, where if you're not paying attention, you're basically being told the same thing. And at least for me, it's things that are very surface level, but it also goes deeper. And I'll give you some examples, and these are just my opinions. You might not agree on this. So things like your race, color, sex, things like that, they're very easy to use that as a way to tell you that you can't do something. And then on a deeper level, they can move over to things like your political beliefs, your religious beliefs, and how you want to live your lifestyle, things like that. And all of those things are meant to psychologically limit you, and also in a bigger way divide you. So if you are divided by other people because of those things, then automatically you've already limited yourself and then put people in different pockets or segments. And all of that leads to you can't do it because of whatever the case might be. And they'll just insert whatever you want to in that blank. And where I'm going with this is if you are thinking about, being a creator or just stepping outside of what you have been doing and there's something that you want to do, you're going to have to change that, instead of being constantly told, even subtly, that you can't do it. Tell yourself that, well, you can do it, you can try it. And that's something that I constantly have to tell myself, because whenever you've been told, and eventually whenever your own thinking changes from I can do it, I can try it, to I can't do it because of, then it's basically it. You can't do it because you won't even try to do it. And so if you are somebody who's in that situation, then try to change that from you can't do it to you can try, and then eventually you can do it. So if you actually have any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments there below, and I'll see you on another episode.